Today I am drawing Anya from Spy and Family to show you how correct construction alone can completely change your results. So before adding any details, I start with a light oval for the head, keeping it round and soft because Anya's face is childlike and expressive, not sharp or mature. Then I draw a vertical center line to divide the face evenly, which helps maintain symmetry on both sides and prevents the eyes or mouth from drifting. After that, I add a horizontal eye guideline slightly below the center of the face, because placing the eyes too high is the most common beginner mistake, and once this line is placed correctly, the entire face starts to feel balanced. Next, I lightly mark the nose and mouth guides close together, since anime child characters have compact proportions, and spacing matters more than detail here. And before moving forward, I always pause to check symmetry by comparing both sides of the face and adjusting the jaw and cheek curves early, because fixing mistakes at this stage saves time and keeps the drawing clean later. Now, when it comes to the hair, I keep it simple and draw it in smooth layers instead of individual strands, letting the bangs fall naturally over the forehead while framing the face evenly. And I lightly place Anya's small horn-like accessories to maintain accuracy without overcomplicating the sketch. Then for the eyes, I draw them large but controlled on the guideline, keeping both eyes the same size and distance apart, adding thicker upper lashes and clear highlights to bring life and emotion into the character without making the eyes heavy. After that, I keep the nose extremely minimal with just a tiny dot and draw a soft, small mouth because too much detail here can easily ruin the innocent expression. Then I gently add light blush under the eyes using soft strokes to enhance warmth and personality, which is a subtle step that makes a big difference. And as I move toward the final stage, I slowly darken only the main outlines instead of every line, erase unnecessary sketch marks carefully, and add light shading under the hair and chin to create depth without losing the clean anime style. And this entire process shows that strong anime drawings are built on structure, patience, and correct guidelines rather than rushing into details. So if you follow these steps and practice them consistently, your anime faces will start looking more balanced, expressive, and confident with every drawing.
Subscribe for more.